Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isa pang Duwanta Vlog starring Pabibo. Sina Pabebe at Pabibe ay nandyan lang. Okay? Nagbe-breastfeeding lang. Okay, so wag muna natin ipapakita sa vlog. Pero we're going to go out mamaya. Kaming tatlo. As a family, we're going to go on a family trip to the doctor's office. So yan doon na fam, excited kami kasi this will be Nitro's first time at a doctor's clinic. Excited kami sa ganun. Ganun talaga pag pandemic, no? Pag naka-lockdown ka at wala kang pwedeng pupuntahan. Excited ka para lumabas. Kasi bawal lumabas. Diba, Kim?
Bawal lumabas o bawal lumabas.
So we're gonna go to the doctor's office in My Health Clinic dito sa Shangri-La. And we're gonna see the pediatrician for... Bakit? Ano problema? Nagsuka? Nagsuka siya? Alright, I'm gonna help Shanta real quick, but yeah, we're gonna get started with our intro, our little animation intro, and we're gonna see you at the pediatrician's office. Alright guys, I'm gonna help Shanta.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Alright guys, dito na kami ngayon sa My Health Clinic. We're going to take Nitro to his first pediatrician appointment.
Ba't wala daw mask si Nitro?
Wala.
Wala, may cover lang siya.
Bawal magsuot siyang mask, di ba? Kasi sanggol pa yan eh. Sa doctor's clinic. Wow. Nitro dito sa pediatrician for his first appointment. First time ni Nitro sa doctor clinic. Hey, baby.
Pwede walang problema.
Uy, pwede daw mag-video, sabi yung doktora.
Ayan. Sige po, timbang natin siya.
Tinanong ko talaga,
Sige po.
nag-research ko ako talaga ng lahat ng gano'n. Pero hindi ako nag-research about aftercare na.
Okay, Nitro.
Yung breastfeeding, nagulat ko.
Gaano ka kabigat, Nitro, ha?
Nakalampas
Tingnan
na.
natin.
ka na.
3.98.
3.98 kilos?
Kaya kayang-kaya mo.
3.9?
3.98.
3.98.
Apo, nag-increase 4 na siya. Nag-increase siya ng weight?
Oh,
Yes,
siyempre.
kasi ang last niya was 3.114. 119.
Okay.
Oh, that's big Kasi usually it's 20 to 30 grams per day. So meaning mga 1 to 1.2 kilos per month. Your last check-up was May 20 lang.
Mm.
Oo.
Okay lang
good.
yun.
Yes.
54 yung height, Doc.
Very good ka pala, baby.
Yes.
The only way to put him to sleep is kapag nag-breastfeeding siya and then dyan siya natulog sa suso ni mami. And then that's the only way he can sleep. Is that tama or is that
Okay lang.
mali?
You have to try to
Do a
try
different way.
Yeah. Okay lang to breastfeed. Tapos, do you have a bed beside your bed? No.
May crib siya.
May crib siya beside our
Pero
bed.
it's close to.
Okay.
I mean, it's adjacent to your bed.
Yeah.
So once you, di ba pag asleep na siya talaga, you just lay him on the crib and then make sure na when you lay him down, one hand is on the chest para ma-feel niya na may security pa. Okay? And then before you let go, dahan-dahan lang talaga yun.
Oo, dinadahan ko kasi
Ganun pa rin,
umiiyak
iyak pa rin siya. Pag
Pag
ganun. Mukhang masyado. Is your aircon turned on?
Kasi
Talaga?
pinapawisan din po siya pag ano.
What's the temperature of your aircon?
Not
27.
27 degrees?
Not that cold. Kasi usually okay yung 25 to 27 for
Talaga?
them.
Babies.
Nakaswaddle pa siya. Nakaswaddle?
Sinaswaddle ko din. Kasi nagigising siya pag wala siyang
Oo.
sasabi.
Yeah. Mas talaga. Ang next na trick dyan is, di ba they have this hot dog pillows?
Yes,
so
yeah.
get that.
Di ba nakaswaddle siya?
Oo.
You put it under the armpit. Para parang nakasnuggle pa rin.
Okay.
And then try to find a small clock that's not digital. The one that has the ticking sound.
Oh, okay.
But it will mimic the mom's heartbeat. Para
Ganun.
it somehow gives him that security. If all else fails, we do the
Japanese method.
So what's the Japanese method? They put them on the
Wala,
crib.
tama ka?
10 minutes, time it, 10 to 15 minutes. Just
Okay.
let them cry.
Cry. Okay.
Yeah.
At night, oh, okay lang.
Tapos?
Oh my gosh, tama ka!
Filipino, ano yan? Filipino ang hindi kaya. They
Ah,
always
ganun.
get the baby.
Karga ka agad.
But yun nga, we have to train them na na dahan-dahan, na they should be able to sleep on their own.
So, the Japanese method is hayaan ko siya.
Hayaan mo siya, 10 to 15
minutes.
minutes to cry until
Iyak
they
lang.
cry to sleep. For as long as you know that he was fed well, diaper was changed,
Oh.
you burped him well, so okay na yun. Kung lahat naman okay, just let him cry himself.
Okay.
Oh, tama ka pala.
Ang galing.
Tama si Daddy.
Kasi,
Oh, diba?
marami kasing expert sa comment section namin. Maraming nagsasabi na dapat may unan siya sa ulo niya.
No.
Bawal.
Bawal.
Ah,
Sa side dito lang.
First 3 months, kasi we want to prevent sudden infant death syndrome.
Mm.
So, dapat they lie supine. That's why I said the pillow should be below the armpit Kasi anywhere from the shoulders up, pwedeng mag-cover yan suddenly and he can't move his neck that well yet. Talagang kailangan below the armpit.
Ah, okay.
And supine lang. Pagka, if you want to make him sleep pronated, you have to be able to watch him closely.
Mm. You're being a good boy today, aren't you? Yes. Mabait ka ngayon. Kadalasan kapag nakahiga ka, umiyak siya eh. Oo.
Kapanood ka Diba?
Ngayon, nagkita na kayo in person.
Yes! Ang pagi!
4 times ko lang siya nabigyan ng 60 yung na
Okay. Ito yan sinasabi ha, you're not a bad mom.
I'm not
Yes, corrected by. But now, purely na.
breast milk na ngayon, okay?
Are you able to pump na? Not yet. Okay. How many ml ang
Ang
nakapump?
15 minutes, mga 90. Naka 100 na ba ako? Naka
90, di ba? 90.
pinakamalaki.
Pero, what's your nature of work?
Vlogger, char.
So, I mean, you don't go to the office.
Hindi naman.
Okay, you don't need to, direct lang lahat. If you plan to stay at home naman, no problem.
Namimiss ko nang sabihin na piano teacher.
I-check ka ni Doktora.
Wala paano yun, baka may pupuna siya.
Lagi ako napupupuan. Sanay na po ako dyan.
Grabe.
Ay, kapogi naman ito. Nilalamig siya. You see the skin? Nagmamot. We call that
ganun.
mottling.
Nilalamig
So, pag ganyan
siya?
nilalamig
Look,
siya.
kawawa naman yung anak natin.
Iyakin ka daw? Payag ka? Ito na, i-check ang mouth.
May kulang.
Wala ko. May double chin na pala to.
Oo, napansin ko din to.
Ayan eh.
Maganda yan. May double chin.
Yes.
Mana sa'yo, Shan. Double chin niya.
Nagka-double chin ako after ng ano. Nung pregnant ako, nagkaroon ako ng double chin.
Actually, payag ka eh. Okay lang yan. Mawala din yan.
Bago lang, parang yesterday lang siya.
Did you hear him? Yung parang pag nagbe-breathe siya may
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, we call that laryngomalacia. Yung, di ba yung vocal cord and then there's a cartilage for the, dapat yan, pag hihinga siya, kung matigas na, dapat steady lang yan.
Mm.
Because he's still young, nagko-collapse siya. So every time you breathe, may sound. Kasi kumitipot yung, nagna-narrow yung airway na yung voice, yung air going to the vocal cord. So, gano'n. Pero, basta hindi siya hingal, tsaka good ang weight gain, okay tayo. Tsaka wala sa yung mga nangingitim siya. Yung nilalamig talaga siya, nagpa-purple yung ano niya.
Talaga?
Look ko naman.
Pag na tayo mag-aircon siya.
Pero kasi pinapawisan din siya.
Hindi ba ka dito lang? O sa house ba ganito? Hindi naman.
Hindi.
Minsan hawakan mo yung kamay niya malamig.
Ayun.
Don't worry about this ha. Parang nagpo-protrude na skull ko.
Inisip ko. Sabi ko baka kakaiyak niya.
Kala mo si E.T. siya. Okay, we're done!
Yay!
Angel ka talaga, Doc.
Okay guys, I've just finished helping Shanta out with the bebe. So nagsuka siya. Ayan, so obviously, mamaya pa tayo pupunta sa Doctor's Clinic, pero napanood nyo na. Kasi ito na ang katapusan ng video. At, ngayon naman, we're going to do some shout-outs. Okay, so, una sa lahat. Flordelis Ahmad. Wow, so cute, lovely baby. Yeah, replying to our family photo we uploaded to Facebook. Cherry Alilo Mendoza. Lovely family photo. Treasure every moment with each other. You inspire so many families. Keep up the good work. Maraming salamat po, Cherry. Alright, next on the list we have top fan Trisha Joseph Tristan Peliahera. Buen dia. Ang pinakamahabang pangalan na nabasa ko sa Facebook. Super cute talaga ni Baby Nitro. Parang sleeping angel. God bless po, Woody family. And last but not least we have Vian Quevedo Calderon. Lovely family photo, guys. Shout out from Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Awesome. Alright, Beverly Perez says, yep, I agree. Babies like to be swaddled. You won't cry as much if you do. I'm gonna heart that because that is so true. Sabi pa ni pediatrician sa video na to. Next up, we have, you should think of moving in a normal house. If you want house help, you need your privacy. Yes, we will be moving as soon as lockdown is over. I think hanggat hindi pa tapos ang lockdown, dito pa rin kami sa Manila. It's just too dangerous to move anywhere right now. Alright guys, Shanta needs my help, so I'm gonna stop shoutouts there for now. And we will see you sa sunod na video ng Duanta. Bye for now.